Hi, I'm Karen from K's Culture, and I'm going to show you how to make green bean casserole. Another Thanksgiving and Christmas tradition. Okay, start with 2 cups of cut green beans, or 2 cans of cut green beans, or 4 cups of fresh green beans. Go ahead and add, which serves about 6 people. If you like to serve more people, you can just double the recipe. Add about half a cup of milk. A 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And some used to cooking, I don't even measure the black pepper, but you can measure if you like. Half a teaspoon of soy sauce. Well, excuse me, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. One can of cream of mushroom soup. And before you begin, it's actually good to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. Spray a casserole dish with non-stick cooking spray, and then add about 1 1/3 cups of French fried green onions. Before you add the onions, go ahead and stir the wet ingredients. So again, I don't measure the French fried onions because I'm used to cooking. Go ahead and measure out 1 1/3 cup of French fried green onions. And then you want to set aside some French fried green onions for the topping later. Okay, then you're going to pour it in your casserole dish. Which I've already sprayed the cooking spray. And bake 350 for 25 minutes. And then after 25 minutes, you're going to take your baking dish out, top it with the French fried green onions, and bake another 5 minutes until it's golden brown. Okay, I'll see you when it's done. And the green bean casserole is done. And it's a nice and golden brown. Okay. If you like the full recipe to this dish or any of the dishes I've talked about in the videos, please go to wordpress.com/K's Culture. Thanks. Have a great day.